Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. For this video, I want to talk to you about something that you might not realize what it is, even though the title of whatever it is says it is what it is. Get a little confusing there. So what I'm talking about is for security purposes, the doors in your house, you have exterior doors and interior doors. And when you go to buy an interior door, 99 times out of 100 it says hollow core door. And so what is a hollow core door? Now, a lot of people I've talked to think, oh, they just kind of got it foam filled. There's no wood in it, but it's foam filled and it's really strong. Okay, so on my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, I got a new furnace in the house, and I was showing how I enclosed it and everything else. And I took a 24-inch wide hollow core door that I had in a frame and put it over it because the furnace was bigger. Anyways, you need to go see that video. Anyways, I cut out a hole in that door to put a vent in to allow the air, the recycled air from the house to go into the furnace to go through the system. All right, so this is that part of the door I cut out. So that's why I get it aimed here, right? So I can see what it is. So you can see it's kind of weird. And what these are here, these are pieces of cardboard. Peel this out here for you. See, corrugated cardboard. And that's what they put in here this way to give it strength as a hollow core door. And so if I start popping some of these out here, it gets bigger and bigger gaps in there. So there we go. Just popped it in half. So this side now has nothing on it. And this side has the cardboard on it to make it hollow core. And it's just enough to give it some strength so, you know, holds up to minor abuse. Minor. Now, you see on TV where the cops are going into the house and they go up to the bedroom and stuff, and they go to kick the door, and they kick the door in the center, and the whole door just flies open, and that don't happen with this stuff. You kick one of these dead center, your foot's going through it, and your foot's going to be stuck in it. So, but these have, you know, no strength. And we were looking here at 1/8 thick. What type? I would call it particle board, not board. It's the stuff that pegboard's made out of. Only there's no holes in it. So that's how they make this out of here. So this is your hollow, what looks like inside your hollow core door. And set it down over here. Yeah, this stuff here is not very thick. So it maybe 3/16 of an inch thick. So anyways, this is food for thought for you. If that's what a hollow core door is made out of, and you have a room in your house that is a safe room, and the door to that safe room is a hollow core door, it ain't a safe room. All right, you need to have like an exterior door on there, or a solid door, wood door, or a steel sleeved exterior door to make it into a safe room. All right? All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps water, food, medicine, clothing, skills, and knowledge. I'm going to put a link to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, up here. I'm going to put a couple playlists here for you. All right? Take care.